Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change coolant in your Ford EcoSport. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid severe burns from hot coolant or steam. Gather all your essential tools, including a large drain pan, a suitable wrench, and the correct type of new coolant. Remember to wear appropriate safety gear, such as protective gloves and eye protection, throughout the entire process for your well-being. Now, let's drain the old coolant. Begin by locating the radiator drain plug, which is typically found at the bottom of the radiator on the passenger side. Position a large drain pan, capable of holding at least 5 to 6 liters, directly underneath the drain plug. Carefully open the plug and allow all the old, used coolant to flow out completely into the pan. Opening the radiator cap can help the coolant drain faster. Next, we'll flush the system. Once the old coolant has completely drained, securely close the drain plug. Fill the radiator with distilled water, then start the engine and let it run for about 10 minutes with the heater on high. This circulates the water. After 10 minutes, drain the distilled water. Repeat this flushing process until the water runs completely clear, ensuring all old contaminants are removed from your cooling system. Finally, it's time to refill with fresh coolant. After your final flush, ensure the drain plug is tightly closed. Slowly fill the radiator with the specific Ford EcoSport coolant mixture, typically a 50-50 blend of antifreeze and distilled water. Start the engine with the heater set to its highest setting to help bleed any trapped air from the system. Top off the coolant as needed and carefully inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.